That's a drop top coupe. Said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do, 'cause I never had someone like you.
Alright, we are going to the garden. Right here. Look at that.
So this is actually our first harvest of tomatoes, mga kabeshiwak.
Uy, uy, uy. Put it there.
So mga kabeshiwak, we only planted 2 eggplant plants. And this is the other one, mga kabeshiwak, that I harvested the other day. I added it to the pork sinigang I made with watermelon, and it was actually so delicious, ganon.
That one might. Let's see this.
Wait,
That one might be ready.
really?
It's only small and skinny though. Doesn't feel like it's very healthy.
This one, oh. That one.
It's still, this one looks.
Look at the beans. Ito yung ating green beans, mga kabeshiwak. May bunga na siya. Tignan nyo. Oh.
So this is my first harvest from the garden, mga kabeshiwak.
So good morning. Mag-harvest tayo today.
So we have more tomatoes ripening again, mga kabeshiwak. But first, I'm going to pick this okra because some of them are already big and I'm sure they're ready to eat. So we need to harvest them now.
Boom. Magulang na to for sure. Ayan pa sila, oh. OMG, super dami. So next, mga kabeshiwak, let's harvest the squash. So let's go.
OMG, mga kabeshiwak. Our squash is finally producing fruit. I'm so happy.
Wow! Look at that! Tapos mayroon pa doon. Sana walang ahas dito. Meron pa siyang bulaklak dito. Ayan. Wow! Init! My goodness. Tingnan ko dito. OMG! Look! We got a squash! Another squash. Wow. I got 6 pieces. OMG. Lagay natin dito. Yeah. We got a lot of squash. OMG, it's so hot. Ang init sa labas, mga kabeshiwak. And ito na yung ating na-harvest na pananim sa ating garden. Meron tayong squash, tapos okra, and then green beans. So, di ba, bongga?